Hello everyone. Today we are here to start with comprehension number 4, which is Mango Tango. Summer arrives with its share of heat, but it also brings along with it a delicious fruit, the mango. Mango is such a fruit which is liked by everyone. Mango is one of the sweetest fruits and it is lower in fiber. It has many benefits like it helps in maintaining cholesterol, cleansing skin, regulating diabetes, etc. So none of us can keep our hands off the fruit, and it is not surprising that it is a much relished fruit. Relished means it is being liked and enjoyed by everyone, and nobody can stay away from the fruit mango, and everybody likes to eat it. There are almost 1,000 varieties of mangoes. The fruit is native to Asian countries including India. So there are so many varieties of mango. You all must have eaten. So it has so many varieties, thousands of varieties. And the fruit is native to Asian countries. Native means which is associated to some place by birth. So it is associated to many places including India. In fact, the name mango is derived from the Tamil word manga. It is also the national fruit of India. The mango is known as the king of fruits. As we all know, it is known as the king of fruits. And why it is known as the king of fruits? Because everybody likes it and it is liked by everyone. It comes in different shapes and sizes, and there are so many varieties. As it has so many varieties, so all the varieties, they have different shapes and sizes also. There are both big and small mangoes, round and oval shaped mangoes. Some of them are kidney shaped. So these are all about shape and sizes. Unripe mangoes are green. Unripe means which are not ready, which are unready. So unripe mangoes are green and become golden yellow or red as they mature. Mature means they fully develop. When the mangoes are unripe, they are not ready, they are green in color, and when they become mature, they have a golden yellow color or red, golden red. Mangoes have a sweet aroma, which is an indicator of their sweet flavor. Aroma is a pleasant smell. So they have a pleasant smell, which is indicator, means which shows that they have a sweet flavor. Mangoes are not just a treat for the senses, but are also nutritious. As I told you that people like to eat it as it has a good flavor, as well as it is very nutritious. Nutritious means it is very efficient as food. As I told you that it has many benefits. It helps in fighting cancer, it helps in maintaining cholesterol, cleansing skin and other things also. So they are very nutritious and they are rich in vitamins A and C. Since time immemorial means very old time. The time which we do not remember, immemorial. The leaves, the bark and skin of mangoes have been used in Ayurvedic treatments and medicines. So the leaves of the mango fruit, the bark and the skin of mangoes, they have been used for the treatment and also used as medicines. In our country, the mango tree plays an important role. It is considered sacred and is also known as symbol of love. So in our country, India, it is considered as holy, sacred, holy, and it is also used in different rituals. So it is considered sacred and it is also symbol of love. It is also believed that the mango tree has the power to grant wishes. Means many people believe that if we wish something, then the mango tree has the power to complete the wish, to grant the wish. Its leaves are hung on the front door during festivals. As I told you that it is considered sacred or holy, so that is why it is during festivals used to hang on the front door during the festivals such as Pongal, Diwali, to bring good fortune and blessings into the house. So as we believe it that it is holy, So that's why we hung it, and it will give us lot of blessings.